Hi, my name is Richard Ferguson. Today's date is August 3rd, 2022. Here are my notes for the video. So I will be doing a video on the dissection of the sheep brain. So the first thing I saw when I did this dissection were these, as you can see, these layers or this outer covering. This is called the meninges. So the meninges covers the entire brain, and then the outermost layer is the dark matter. So that's what you can see right here. The next thing I'm going to go over is the different lobes of the brain. So right here, as you can see, we have the frontal lobes right here. The frontal lobes are important for executive functioning, such as thinking, problem solving, creativity. Then posterior to that, we have the parietal lobes right here. Then we have uh, then right here we have the temporal lobes, which is important for our auditory functions. Then we have the occipital lobe, which is important for our vision. And then right here you can see we have um, the longitudinal fissure that separates the two halves of the cerebrum. So um, it separates the left hemisphere from the right hemisphere. And then we also have right here these bumps on the brain, as you can see. These are the gyri, and then you can see these grooves or ridges and these dark lines. Those are that's the sulci right here. And then I'm going to go over. Next we have the lateral fissure. The lateral fissure right here. The lateral fissure is right here, and basically it separates the frontal and parietal plane from the temporal plane. The frontal and parietal lobe from the temporal lobe. Excuse me. That's what the lateral fissure does. Next, we're gonna look at the sagittal view of the right hemisphere of the brain. And then right here, this structure right here, this circular structure, is the corpus callosum. The corpus callosum connects um, the two hemispheres of the brain. Then below that, um, right here, this rounded-like structure. Over here, we have the thalamus, and then below that, we have the hypothalamus. Hence why it gets its name. And then if we look right here, we have the brainstem, the cerebellum, and the brainstem. So the most anterior portion of the brainstem is the midbrain. The midbrain right here. And then if we look a little bit further up, we have the medulla oblongata, which is very important for more of our regular functions. And then if you go a bit further, you can see the brainstem and more of the dura mater. In addition, we also have the cerebral cortex. The cerebral cortex, which is the outer portion of the cerebrum, which is also called gray matter. So it's the outer portion of the cerebrum. And then I'll show you we have white matter. White matter, we have some right here. And then we have some right here, some right here. And they're made up of nerve fibers covered by a myelin sheath. Thank you for your time.